In this video, we're going to talk all about Shotcrete applications and techniques, covering everything from the equipment you need to the right mix design and where Shotcrete totally shines. Alright, so first up, Shotcrete is basically concrete that gets sprayed onto surfaces using special equipment, which makes it perfect for tough jobs like repairing walls or creating curved structures. When you're picking your equipment, you want to make sure you've got a good Shotcrete pump and nozzle that can handle the mix without clogging or spitting. Speaking of the mix, it's super important to get the ratio right. Too much water and the mix gets weak, too dry, and it won't spray well. Usually, you'll want to mix with cement, sand, maybe some additives for strength or quick setting, and water just enough to keep things flowing. One thing I always tell folks is to prep the surface properly before spraying. Clean, rough, or damp surfaces help the Shotcrete stick better. Also, layering is key. Don't try to do it all in one go because that can cause cracking or weak spots. When applying, hold the nozzle at the right distance and angle to get an even coat, and keep moving so the material doesn't build up too thick in one spot. Lastly, curing Shotcrete properly is crucial. Keep it moist for a while after spraying so it hardens strong and lasts longer. One of the biggest mistakes people make with Shotcrete is messing up the mix design, either by adding too much water or not enough cement, which seriously kills strength. Another common issue is using the wrong equipment or nozzle size, which can lead to uneven application or wasted material. And don't forget about surface prep. Skipping this step means the Shotcrete won't bond well and could peel off later. The fix? Always double-check your mix specs, invest in quality gear designed for Shotcrete, and take time prepping surfaces so everything sticks like it should. BigHomeProjects.com is an awesome spot if you're a homeowner looking to get your Shotcrete job done right because it connects you with local pros who know their stuff. And if you're a contractor, it's a great place to find steady work by getting matched with homeowners needing your skills on real projects.